Hello, my name is Dima Rodenko. I'm the founder of SaaS Founders Community. I help founders of software development companies to create a consistent flow of sales opportunities using LinkedIn. And now I'd like to share my point of view on the following topic: how to estimate the cost of big clients acquisition for a software development company. When we speak about big clients, I consider the clients who can spend starting from 100 to 200,000 euros or dollars per year. Well, it's considerably big, but it's not retail clients. They should be treated like enterprises, and that's why we have to calculate the cost of their acquisition. So, what are the main topics of expenses? So what are we spend our money when we trying to get this client? So first of all, there are salaries of the lead generators or SDRs, and the cost of work of the salespeople, and services of some external outsourcers like lead gen companies, etc. So if we need a rough estimation, we can think about 8 to 15% of the let's say of the total volume of the work during 1 year. So it can be rough, let's say 10 to 12%. So if we wanted to get a client for $100,000, for example, we should estimate that it will cost us from 10 to 12,000 to pay for the salary, for the services, etc. Right? So these are the main indications. And also, it's very important to use these investment wisely and not to not to waste this money on a useless efforts, on useless attempts and experiments. What do I mean? If you try to go directly for a pay-per-click services like Google ads, like Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, you can easily waste this money because there are quite a lot of variables in this process. What do I mean? First, you have to select target audience, one. Then you have to select the message, and you select the offer, let's say the time frame and whatever. So there are a lot of variables. And when you start, you can easily spend 10, 12, 20, 30, $40,000 for these experiments. And it's okay if you have this money. But I would love to give you a certain way which works much better for me and gives me much better revenue, actually. And I will share the figures absolutely. So I prefer to find my niche and test my niche on LinkedIn, just sending them messages and converting them in clients. And I test the niche. If the niche is fine, if I get a good ROI, return on investment, considering working with this niche, then I start doing pay-per-click to maximize the ROI from this niche. I'd like to share some figures from let's say from the statistics of my company during last 4 years. So, of course, the best ROI, the best possible ROI gives us partnerships. But the partnerships are not scalable. You can easily ask people, could you advise me a person who will need my services? And of course, if you are a good person in the market, if you are a professional, you'll get these recommendations. But on the next months and months after, it will be much harder to get the same recommendations because you already have these people, you already have this contact. So it's not scalable, unfortunately, right? So in my case, partnerships give me $18 net profit from $1 invested in partnership. So it's really good thing. Unfortunately, it's not scalable. The next source is LinkedIn. Actually, when we invest $1 in LinkedIn, it gives us the payback of 11.03 cents, $11 net for $1 investment. And it's really a huge thing because it gives it helps to contact with a huge amount of people and to convert them with a certain, let's say, time frame. So usually it takes from 2 to 3 months to start having appointments. and from 6 to 8 months to close them to the contracts, right? So that's why it's quite scalable. It's quite estimatable. So you can estimate when will you have the money, how it will work, etc. Right? So LinkedIn is good. And then after, there are Google Ads, LinkedIn Ads, Facebook Ads. Google Ads, $9 per dollar invested. Content marketing as well, $6 per net per $1 investment. LinkedIn ad, $3.60 per $1 investment. Facebook advertising, $3.06 per $1 investment. And webinars, there are $2.46 per $1 investment. So start with the partnerships, that's fine, but they are limited. Then go for LinkedIn and then scale up with the other pay-per-click campaigns. If you want to know more about that, fill in the form below this video. Just give us some information and where are you now and when you want to go. And we'll show you the way how to get there. Maybe there can be several options, but you'll get it for free. And you can book a call with our team to have an explanation of how do we see that. And if you have a good match, we can do it together. So have a great day. Have a really valuable contacts and contracts in your way of developing your business. And we try to help you as much as we could. So book a call with our team, fill in the form, and let's do it together. Have a good day. Bye.